What are you trying to do?
Hold on. Record the auto hold. Okay. Okay, I want to show you something. So you press this. Watch when I press it. Watch this. Release auto hold. Press brake pedal. So I'm going to press it. I pressed it. Alright. Oh, I felt it push back on my foot. I felt that. So you'll feel it too. There, it's off. Alright. You'll feel it tug if you... so when it's on, then it'll light up. See, just like that. And when it does, it holds the brake and you don't even have to put your foot on the brake pedal. Like, well, after you stop, you don't have to put your foot on the brake pedal because it'll stay. But in the meantime, you do. You have to use your brakes. You have to use your brakes until you're fully stopped. All done? Okay. Yeah. So when you're stopped, there it is. It comes up. Okay. And you just have to press the gas once the light turns green. Okay. Seatbelt on. Okay, we are in a BMW. Alright, this vehicle has a parking brake. It's a parking hold. So, whenever what you do is you put your vehicle in auto hold, and it's for parking. If you put your vehicle in that mode, I don't got the key in the ignition right now. I guess I could turn the vehicle on, but let me tell you, when you press that button, it'll light up on the display as I showed you before. I'm parked right now and I'm sitting in the passenger seat and we're having a lot of fun here. So anyway, so the auto hold. This button will auto hold your brake, that brake pedal down there. You can't see it in the camera, but I can see it. Here, it's right there. That's what your brake pedal looks like. Now, when you put it in that mode, your car, you have to press the brake yourself to stop, but once you're stopped, you can let up off the brake and not touch any pedal, and your car will remain braked. It will remain stopped. And that is amazing. And that's a feature that this BMW 5, I'll look up the series number after I'm done here, but this is what this car has this feature, and this is the feature that I'm talking to you about. And it's a really, really neat and cool car. So that's a feature that this car has, an auto brake, and it can save you. And whenever the light turns green, it's time to go, you just press the gas. You don't even have to mess with the brake because it'll automatically, auto hold will release automatically and you'll go. So, but you got to press the brake first to stop. And then if this feature is on, then it'll auto hold and you will be on your way to a better you. And hopefully it'll be a better experience for you. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's do it. This is Matthumanpizza. We're in a BMW because that's just what I'm doing right now. We're making a video and just hanging out. And you just when you're Matthumanpizza and you make a bunch of videos, you meet a bunch of people, and you get to have all kinds of great experiences. So this is a pretty cool feature, and I just want you to look at this auto. It says Auto H if it'll focus. There we go. Auto H. Let me get real close.
All right. Have a great day.